Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a new week. Our 5th week here on The Day Trader. We're 5 weeks old this week. So congratulations to us. We've grown from 0 subscribers all the way to, here we go, we're starting the show at 525 subscribers. Look at that, 525 in just 4 weeks. Absolutely incredible growth. Thanks to all of you. So welcome. Thank you all very much for being here. We hope you enjoyed the show. We trade live here every morning, of course, on the stock market with all our real money, our real shares. We're also there over on TikTok, Facebook, multiple websites. Come and join us here on YouTube. You will see the trading screens here. But wherever you are watching right now, please put your comments in the live chat and it will come on to the main trading screen here on YouTube. So there you go. There's my real trades, my real money. That's my real position. Everything here is genuine, real. Good morning, Boss Smart. It's my birthday today. Madison, it's your birthday. Hey, Madison, let me do something very special for you, okay? I was named by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. And at 3:30 Eastern Time, which is 2:30 Central Time, I'll be on my other YouTube channel and here on TikTok, and I will be singing happy birthday requests. So, Madison, come and join me, and I'll do a special song for you, and you can choose a song from my studio, live behind me, over there, at the piano at 2:30 Central, 3:30 Eastern Time. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Leah. Good morning, Tom. Canterbury Music Vibe over there on YouTube. John Brunette is here. John Clust. Everyone is here. What a start. Okay, we're off to 8 likes now. If it's your very first time here to the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell. And once you've done that, of course, give us a thumbs up. We had a record last week of 20 likes in the show, which was great. Our mean average is 15, but our top record was 20. So let's do it this week. Let's beat it. Good morning, Bill. Welcome all of you. I'm going to bring Bill's message up on the screen. Oh, and we have a message from Leah to Tom as well. Let's share that. Hi, Tom. How are you? Tom, of course, had COVID, or has COVID right now. So we're sending our love to Tom over there in the UK. Madison just gave me some likes. Thank you. Hopefully you'll join us then for the party this afternoon. I'll do a happy birthday party for you at 3:30 Eastern Time on the Martyn Lucas YouTube channel and here on TikTok too. Good morning, says Bill. Right, let's open up. Let's look at our shares. Okay, we got 27 minutes before the main bell goes. We are now, of course, in the pre-hours. If everybody on TikTok's watching the show, tap on the screen and send me some love so I know you're there. Just tap on the screen. All right, okay. Has everybody smashed the like button? There we go. All right, so as we can see, we're already a little bit down today. Let's go on the live. On the live, we are down 0.2, 0.25% on my portfolio. We got as high as 52. Only got 4 days of isolation left, then can go back to work. I'm very, very pleased for you, Tom. Thank you ever so much indeed. Updated the picture. Yes, I see that, Bill. Let's put it up on the screen. Bill, if you actually write a bigger comment, then I can put it up on the screen and it'll make it bigger. So do a bigger comment and let's share it on the screen. Grazzy, good morning, Grazzy. How are you this morning? Welcome. So if you want to see the main show on TikTok, come over to YouTube. Just click on the profile and you will see my trading screens. Okay, so Amazon is up 0.37 this morning. Amazon is up 0.37. I'm now up 1% because I bought in the dip. Opportunity to grow Amazon last week. That's great. I sold my Carnival position and got into Amazon. Johnson & Johnson's up 0.25% this morning. Tesla. These are all my top 10 stocks to never sell, buy and hold forever. I will run down the list in a minute. Tesla is up 0.38. Facebook is up 0.12. There we go. Apple is up 0.17. Obviously, we got big things coming up for Apple. There we go. That's a bit of a bigger message. There we go. It's Santa Claus. Let everybody. Father Christmas. My friend Bill from Canada. It's up one of my credit cards. See, yes. You cut up one of your credit cards. Yes, I'm so proud. I did see that. Congratulations, Bill. Bill is looking to get into the stock market, and I advised him the first thing he needs to do is clear his credit cards. So he's cut up a credit card. He has $1,000 a month disposable income, and he owes $10,000 on credit cards. So I said, in 10 months, you should be out of debt. So that's his target. And the only thing stopping you is yourself. It's your commitment. You know you've got that income to use for that. So it's up to you. And in 10 months' time, you'll have money saved. You'll be a lot richer because you'll have no interest payments on credit cards. You'll have more money to put here into the stock market. How is the cruise industry on the stock market? All right, Tom, we'll cover that in a second. Coca-Cola is up 0.22. I will answer that question live on the screen. Fun World, good morning, Fun World. Tap the screen, welcome. Grazzy69 has followed me. Fantastic. Grazzy and IOF, if you enjoy the day trader, just go onto the profile, find the link to YouTube, and join us there right now. We have a community sharing their live trades, what they're buying, what they're sharing live here in the YouTube channel. You can't see it on here. It doesn't convey very well on TikTok. You've just got my face, which isn't worth looking at, right? Bill says, waiting for 400 to clear on Wealth Sample as an easy start. See how the year goes. Absolutely, Bill. I'm sorry that for some reason you said the app wouldn't set up. Webull wouldn't work for you in Canada, and we know Robinhood doesn't work either. If anyone listening right now is looking to get some free stock, and I get one as well for helping you, and then we can share what we've got, there is the Robinhood link in the chat. Let me post it for you right now. There it is. There is the Robinhood link. If any of you are looking for a Webull free stock, of course, you can get both. You get a few. I think you get 4. This is just a referral link. You click on it, and you can get some free money. There we go. Let me give you that one. There's the Webull one as well. Wonderful stuff. If you're interested in learning more about our stocks and shares that we're trading, we have a Facebook page and a Facebook group, and I'm going to share that with you in the live chat right now here on YouTube. So here we go. We post stuff there all the time. We find videos that would help you and be of interest to you. So we post that for you there as well. There it is. No, nothing on Webull. Lear to deposit. Hard trying to iPhone type. That's fine. No way. Okay, didn't work. That's a shame. That's a shame. I'm sorry I can't help you there. All right. So let's go over to more stocks and shares right now. AT&T, these are all my top 10 I never sell. All right, VTI, which covers the whole market, down slightly, as we expect the market is down slightly. Google is up 0.5% today. I've got $122 invested in Google. Want to get more there, of course. Virgin Galactic, great news for me. Great news for me. Virgin Galactic is up 0.35%. Lithium. What do you think of NEO? Grazzy, I'm not a fan of NEO. I think really Tesla is so far ahead. It's the number one selling car in 3 years. Sorry, in 3 countries. I don't have any money invested in any Chinese markets. I am very much very pro American and UK markets, and I think Tesla is the way to go. I also feel Rivian, when it IPOs with Amazon, will be amazing. I'm also in Lucid Air as well now, which is another electric car company, much smaller, of course, than Tesla. But I've decided to go with that. I have $2,000 invested in that because, just like with iPhones, some are Android, some are iPhone. Not everyone's going to drive a Tesla. So for me, it's Lucid. If you join us on YouTube, you'll actually see my position. I can't show it you on here. I have $2,000 in it. It's currently at $20.75 a share. It's a lot cheaper, obviously, than Lucid, but remember, cost is not the whole story. There could be a lot more shares, so that they are cheaper per share. So at the end of the day, you just got to do your research on that. But Lucid, thanks to Jonathan Brunette, was my choice to get into, and I'm into that. Good morning, Chris. How are you this morning? So that was my choice. It's down slightly, 1.33%. But any day now, they've got their cars being delivered. So we're looking forward to the first part of September. Harpoon Therapeutics, that's like my lottery ticket. I bought some shares in that to catch a flip. It's one of those crazy stocks that I bought. Let me just adjust the camera slightly there. That's better. Slightly there on TikTok. Let me drop it down a little bit. Is that a bit better? That's even better. There we go. Even better. All right, so that's zero today. You have inspired me to get out of the red since 45 years. Never had a savings or checking without being zero and in the black. Bill, it's a good feeling, and I'm really glad it's inspired you. And I will share with you something very personal with you, why I am like this, and why I have no debt, and why I have no mortgage, no car loan, and I built a portfolio here of $51,000 and have $50,000 and have savings for 6 months ahead. I learned the very, very hard way. I went bankrupt once. Awful. Yes, I did. I lost everything once. You never do it twice. Donald Trump has done it 7 or 8 times. Then you're manipulating the situation. But we can all make mistakes, and I made a mistake many years ago on a big venture I had, and I learned. And I learned nothing teaches you more than when you lose everything. Lost absolutely everything, learned the very hard way, and the day I walked out of the court with $1 was £1. I felt the richest man in the world because I'd lost everything and I walked out with £1, and I never ever looked back. From that moment on, my £1 turned into 2 turned into 4, and I only bought what I only bought. I only put on. I never actually got into debt again, but I used credit cards to earn cash back. But I only ever spend the money on a credit card to buy things I need, with them knowing I have the money already in the bank to pay it, purely because I earn money on the cashback and points. But if I can't afford it, I don't buy it. Absolutely. I'll go without. I'll eat bread and water rather than borrow money. But when I came to America, I started by simply, I didn't bring anything with me here from England. I started a brand new life, started with nothing, played in bars for tips, saved the tips, bought some equipment, bought some better equipment, got more tips. Then I was able to earn money, use the money I'd earned and bought better equipment, and so it went on. I got a car when I first came to America and was advised to get a car loan to improve your credit, because obviously you're brand new to America 4 years ago. So I did that. I got a car loan and I paid it off within 6 months. It was a 7-year car loan. Just kept overpaying, even though it was only like 2%. And literally spent nothing on anything else, got that car loan paid down, and then I concentrated on the mortgage, and the mortgage got cleared early part of this year. And that's then when I got into the stock market. So I know what it feels to lose everything. I've lost everything. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like to sacrifice. I've done it. No one ever gave me any money. No one's ever given me a handout. I've never been sponsored. I've done everything on my own. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. It's just discipline. Saying, okay, I've got $10 a month to live on. You've got $10 a month to live on then. That's it. People do it all over the world. You just got to make choices. You know, can you afford that direct TV bill? Can you get a cheaper internet? Can you get a cheaper phone? You know, you got to do what you got to do, and then it pays off. Always pays off. Life's just a game, just a matter of numbers. As long as you stick to the numbers, you'll always win. Ford Motor Company, for me, oh, hang on, we've got a message here from Bill. Bill had the same issue in 1995. Thanks for sharing with us. You finally cleared the studio mortgage as well. You kept that quiet. Well done. Yes, indeed. Paid it off. That was all part of those credit cards before I did the car loan. Yeah, don't owe anything at all. That's why I'm now investing on the stock market. This is my real money. This is money that could be sat in the bank. This is not leveraged. This is not borrowed money. This is my savings that I've got. So there we go. It's real. Let's have a look. For me, it was that Sweetie Pie wife in 2000. She took over. I went from bedroom apartment, public housing to 1.2 worth. Paid 670,000. There we go. She's a Chinese accountant. Very well. So you got the best advice there from your wife. Lovely stuff. Right, Karen, looking at the shares, we've got Rolls-Royce up 2% today, 2.5%. Rolls-Royce is now up 19%. This is fantastic. Right, if you've just joined us over here on YouTube, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And our friends there on TikTok, tap the screen if you wouldn't mind. Give us a little tap on the screen. Let us know you're here. Chris Tasker, how are you, Chris? Grazzy is following the host. Thank you so much indeed. What do you think on AMC? AMC is very speculative. It's not in my portfolio, as you've heard this morning. Yes, it's not something you can make a lot of money, catch the dips, but it's not something that interests me because it's just trending on FUD and nonsense and stuff like that. So we've got 10 likes now, which means the crowd's all here over there on YouTube. Wonderful stuff. If you've not yet hit the like button, please do. Give us a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it. Mr. Love appreciates it. Thank you very much. Builder is flat today. Ocugen is now up 0.93%. Lucid just down slightly, down 1.43. Robinhood today is up 0.02. 1.2 million. Oh, wow. That's from Bill. Now, Carnival up 1%. And of course, Carnival's doing well now. I'm looking for an opportunity to get back in because it's continually rising. Drillin Damage. Good morning, Martin. What's your opinion on Workhorse Group? Good morning, Drillian. Are you new here? Where did you hear about us? Drillian, the first thing you want to do, be part of our gang, subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a great big thumbs up. Let's get us to a record. 20 was a record. We're only in our 5th week this week here on The Day Trader. We're a brand new channel, and the thumbs up really helps us. We started out at 0 subscribers 4 weeks ago, and we're 925 right now, as you can see. We'll refresh that at the end of the screen, at the end of the show. Drillian, where did you hear about our channel, and did you come across from TikTok? Hi, Alicia is here. Say hello to Alicia. She's from Italy. And Drillian Damage, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? MMR PSTA. Good morning to all of you, Patricia and Alicia. Give us a thumbs up. We're now on 10. We could be up to 12, 13 by now, I reckon. All right, the market is now starting to rise. We're now 0 again. So we are, today we're down slightly still, but in the last hour we've improved. Drillian says, what's your opinion on Workhorse Group? Workhorse Group, I know nothing about it. I have to be honest, but I will type it in. Is it on Workhouse Group? Here we go. It is actually on Robinhood. Let's have a look. Do we have any of my Kenneth Brunk? Is our technical analysis. He does a lot of technical analysis for us. Let's say hello. This is Kenneth Brunk. We call him Cyclops Ken. Ken, I've got a new member to the show, Drillian Damage. Give us a thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Drillian Damage has asked a question. What do we think of Workhorse Group? I came across from TikTok. I am based in England. Well, thank you, Drillian. Thank you ever so much indeed. We have a guy here who does brilliant technical analysis for us, and I'm sure he would love to look into that for you now. This is Workhorse. I know nothing about it, but let's try and answer the question for Drillian. And if we've got any experts, any opinion on that, remember, we're not financial advisors, but what we are, Drillian, is real people investing our real money And as you can see, this is my real money, so I'm not influencing anyone at all. This is my real money. Harry Parr, good morning, Harry Parr, and good morning, Grazzy. Welcome, Drillian. He's from England. Drillian, I'm also from England, from Cornwall, but now based here in the United Kingdom. Right, we got a question to ask. What do we think? What do we think of the Workhorse Group? Drillian wants to know. And Workhorse Group is a technology company which engages in the provision of sustainable solutions to the commercial transportation sector. It operates as an original equipment manufacturer which designs and builds battery electric vehicles. Good. Well, for the fact it's battery electric, it's got my interest straight away. So good. Here we go. We got some interesting news here from Kenneth. Let's share it on the screen. Cyclops Ken, you can see why we call him that. Good morning, Danny. Good morning, Danny. And Bill is also over there on TikTok. Tap the screen, everybody, on TikTok. Let's blow up the channel and join us here on YouTube if you want to see the trading screens. Workhorse, I've been involved in that one before, but it's been a long time. I remember it was worth keeping an eye on, but nothing that has retained my interest. There you go. It's up 0.24% today. So there is some growth there today. If you'd got in this morning, wow, yes, I can see that. Look at that. It's been trading now on my chart at least from 2016 as a public company, maybe longer than that, of course. Let's read more into it. Yes, 2007. It's been going around for a while now, which is good, always good. It went public in 16. It's been pretty flat, but we've seen some spikes recently. It's in Ohio in the United States, 130 employees, quite a small company. Its volume is quite low, so it doesn't have a lot of volatility during the day. Not a lot of volume anyway. It's just over $1 billion market cap. Its figures. Let's look at its figures. It was expected to in Q4 of 20. It exceeded its expectations. And then in 21, it was slightly below expectations, and it's been pretty flat. It seems it had that one pop in 20, which is why the shares would have gone up, I would imagine. In November is its next one. So there we go. It's an interesting one. I'm going to add that to my list. So Drillian, I want to thank you for that. I'm going to add it to my new ideas of things to look at and research more. The one options call I have for January 22 for GSAT is going to be doing well today. Let's have a look at that one. Sorry, Tom, but glad you are well anyway. Yeah, everyone wish Tom well. He's had COVID, but he's recovering. He's had his double vaccinations, so he's actually fine. He won't have any problems. So we're very pleased for Tom, but obviously always concerned when someone gets COVID, but he should be fine. He should be fine. He's had double vaccinations. All right, guys, could we smash the like button? We've got more people who haven't yet liked the video. We want to like the video because we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we could do it this week. We started the show at 925. This is our 5th week this week, just starting today, which is incredible. Still 925. We haven't grown any subscribers during the show, so hopefully we'll pick up a couple more during our show with Drillian anyway. That would be great. So there we go. Alicia and FaZe Will. Good morning, FaZe Will. Grazi over there on TikTok. Thanks for joining us. Drillian, thank you, Martin. Great analysis on Workhorse Group. I appreciate it. We've got a lot more here, and we share a lot more information with you. We're here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell, and you will see how my portfolio progresses. This is the whole of my portfolio. I started trading this portfolio in May. As you can see, my highest was here, and 13%. Now, it was 52. It's now 51 because I've taken $1,000 out of my portfolio, put back in the bank. Remember, I'm only investing now profits. I'm only investing profits now. CMV, did you manage to look at the cruise industry? Oh, yes. This is what I'm interested in. Carnival. I had $9,000 in Carnival until a couple of days ago. I sold my entire position because I'd made $480 profit. Good morning, Antonio Mao. And Antonio Mao. That's it, I've got it right. Antonio Mao is a regular to the show. Antonio, come over to YouTube. You'd much prefer it. You can see a lot more. Wow, we've got 15 watching now. We're growing here on YouTube. Wonderful. So, Carnival. A big bounce, CCL, look at this. It's going to go back up to 40 and I'll sell. Unfortunately, well, not fortunately, but I actually sold my position, made $480. I'm waiting for a little dip to drop back in again there now, but my profits are now working in other industries which are doing well anyway. So but yeah, Carnival is going to be a big bounce. I'm absolutely sure of it. I'm waiting for an opportunity there. There could be a dip coming somewhere. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Dras is here. The Sandman and Antonio Meow 123 is going to pop across to YouTube. He just said and see us over there. Wonderful, Antonio. Good to have you here. The Sandman. Oh, we got wonderful lights coming in from the Sandman and Fab Means as well. All right. So Carnival, yes, I would be definitely in that. Pfizer down slightly today, and Bitcoin. This is why my portfolio is down. Everything else is looking good. Bitcoin is down today. Now, I thought we would have a bit of a pop here over the weekend. I thought we'd go through 50, and we didn't. So let's cover the news and find out why. Institutional investors now hold 70 billion of Bitcoin, which is a good thing. So I don't know why we haven't yet. We're just trotting along, not really much going on. Time for the news. Let's go over to the latest news. Here we go. All right.
Eve of the U.S. deadline to withdraw U.S. troops from Afghanistan, does the tenuous situation there risk derailing President Biden's economic agenda? Let's bring in Harvard University's Arthur Brooks, AEI President Emeritus. There it is. A contributor for The Atlantic. All right, that's a head scratcher. And the host of the podcast, The Art of Happiness, HAPPINESS, with Arthur Brooks. The Will Smith movie, they had a Y in it, I think. And I'm not really sure why it's not Y. Why isn't it Y? Arthur Brooks, thanks for joining us. You heard what I said.
I'm not convinced that's the best story. That's changed since I first loaded it. Let's hear a bit about, there we go, the airlines. We're talking about travel.
Becky, we asked the folks at OAG, which is an airline research and consulting firm, to crunch the data in terms of capacity from the major carriers here in the United States.
I want to thank Hamo Dear Friend for following us on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. And Marks Herwood as well. Thank you for joining us here on TikTok. If you want to see the full trading screen of what we're actually looking at, and Robert, join us over here on YouTube. The link is actually in the profile. Let's carry on with this breaking news.
And what they're looking at for the remainder of this year. And what we're seeing is that the plan is to fly far fewer seats than they did in August and July. Let's take a look at the data from OAG. For September, the big drop is going to be a cut of 9.1% in capacity. Then in the fourth quarter, it's down 6.8%, with all of the major airlines trimming their schedules. Keep in mind, this is what we're seeing right now. It could be even more dramatic if we see COVID-19 surging. We've seen a plateau in the number of people who are flying. The high water mark was definitely in late June, early July. Right now, it's down about 22%, the August flight numbers compared to...
Now, obviously, we're going to see stocks drop in the flight sector. Let me have a look at I've got actually United Airlines. Let me have a look. Scroll down my list. This is my portfolio. Let me share with you. Get a good picture of that. United Airlines. Yeah, look. Let's have a look at this one. Open in a new tab. There we go. And United Airlines is up 0.5% today. You can't judge the stock market, can you? I'm still down though, currently to 9%. I've got a very small position and there's only 3 shares, only $143, but there we go. It's a difficult market to be in right now. My portfolio is down. We run a competition here every morning as well. 14 likes now. This is fantastic. Our mean average is 15. One more. Our record is 20. I think it was Friday morning. Was it Friday morning? Yes, it was. It was Friday morning. So we'll look out for Friday mornings. That seems to be a good day. Just dropped now below 50,000. Remember, my portfolio is a little bit. There's a bit of money out of it now. I took $1,000 out and transferred back into my bank account. Remember, I'm trading the profits here. Ileana Maritz at Goose, I think that is. Goo, welcome. Thank you for being here. Lovely to have you with me. It seemed like we had a bit of a drop in signal there for a moment. I think people lost me, but I think we're back again now. Lovely to have you with me. And let's go over to the rest of that breaking story. Not that one. This one here about the flight situation.
Where we were in August of 2019. Take a look at the major airlines. Let's start first off with Southwest Airlines. We've heard from Southwest already that it is trimming its schedule for the fall. And remember, we heard from them on Friday
all right.
that they're going to make some further cuts as they're tackling some operational challenges.
The bell is
and then
now
when you look
gone.
at the other major airlines, whether it's American, Delta, Alaska, United, all of them are also trimming their schedules.
Let's go over to the main market.
I'm curious about, guys.
Apologise for missing that again. I need something to remind me on the screen. Okay, the market's now open. We should see more action. Let's have a look. Right, the shares are moving up slightly. We're up slightly. United Airlines. All right, here we go. The market's now open. Down slightly. Let's have a look at Workhorse if you want to follow that this morning, if you're interested. Up. This is, of course, for Drillion. We're up now. We're just dropping back slightly. We've not seen much there yet. Okay, here we go. Amazon up 0.56. Johnson & Johnson up 0.21. This I predict will be a good day because if you go east of here, the countries that have already opened are having a good day. So I predict this will be a good day on the market. We should be up, generally speaking. Notice my internet looks a bit slow this morning. Just bear with me as I move to the back of the screen. There we go. Let me just correct that. We have a slight speed situation this morning, but never mind. Tesla, we are up 0.131. Thank you very much for bearing with me. I appreciate it very much indeed. Sexy Hero Handsome, how are you? Welcome. Tesla is having a good day today. This is really, really good. I got 5 shares of Tesla. I'm up $172. That's very, very helpful, of course. Let's have a look at Facebook. Facebook is up 0.1. Apple is up 0.27. Coke is up 0.29. Graphics card. TSM. Good morning, graphics card. We have a new member to our day trader. Thank you very much indeed. Graphics card, tell us where you're from. We'd love to hear from you. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a great big thumbs up. We're trying to get a record today. 20 was the record set last week. We're a brand new channel, just 5 weeks old, starting our 5th week today. We'll be 5 weeks old on Friday. And we're a brand new channel and we appreciate all the support. What we do here is we go live every morning and every evening and we trade our real money, our real screens, and we get real advice and from people that are trading their own real money. We're not financial advisors, but what we do is share real money, real trades with everyone in a completely open, transparent. This is my real money here on the screen, as you can see. From Florida. Wonderful. We have some guys here from Italy, from the UK, all over the US. I'm from England, but now based here in Texas, trading with you as well live this morning. Welcome. You want to know about TSM? My baby NRXB is doing something positive. Let's have a look. welcome, GC. John Brunette is one of our stars. He's from Canada. He offers a lot of useful information, very much indeed. Let's have a look at what TSM. Let's bring that up on the screen and let's share graphics cards question with everyone. And let's go and have a little look at it. What do we think of TSM? Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Okay, let's have a quick look for you. See what we think of that. We're up 0.5% today, so that's good. Yeah, a lot of growth there. Look at that. Since June 2020, we saw a lot of uptrending. That's good, and it's been quite flat now since beginning of March 21. Pretty flat year. Let's have a look at it on the year. There we go. Pretty flat along there now. So a bit of a dip. Now we're rising. I will do some research with that one, so I will keep that there. If anyone knows anything else on it, please share. It's not one that I am investing in, but anything to do with semiconductors is something I'm interested in, because obviously technology, the world of electric cars, all this kind of stuff, and a shortage of semiconductors as well, could be very, very interesting. There's obviously a lot of opportunity in production of semiconductors. Absolutely. Where is this company based? Taiwan. It's based obviously in Japan. Let's do some more digging on that. We'll keep that there just for the minute, and we'll reopen our main portfolio and see if anyone in our group contributes to that question. Thank you very much indeed. All right, if you're very first time here, give us a thumbs up. We got 14 likes. We're trying to get up to a record of 20, which would be wonderful. Give us a like, and there we go. Patricia, welcome, graphics card. Nice place, Florida. Tomatsko, Kevin Armstrong, welcome to all of you over there on TikTok. If you'd like to join the main show, it's on YouTube. That's where you see the trading screens. I can't actually show that on TikTok, so come and join us and you'll see my live trades. All right, I got asked if I could share my portfolio, my complete portfolio with all of you. Yes, I can. So I'm going to do that now. What's your also? What about drink? I'm investing in that one. TSM buy target of 150. There we go. John Brunette is offering some great opinions there on TSM. Buy target is 150. I got asked to share my portfolio, so I will share it with you. This is my actual portfolio. So right at the top, hang on a minute. Bear with me. There we go. So first of all, Amazon. My top 10 shares to never sell. Oh, I subbed, by the way. Hey, everybody. Let's give a big thank you to Graphics Card. He subbed. I hope he rang the bell. Subbed, and he rang the bell. There it is. And more importantly than the subbing, though, mate, is the like button. The like button is what tells YouTube to share the video so more people get to learn about us. But thank you ever so much for subbing to our YouTube channel. Wonderful. So these are the stocks I will never ever sell. DRNK is a penny stock. There you go. Amazon. These are my top 10, never sell, right? Always buying in. Johnson & Johnson, Tesla. I've now moved Tesla up into my never sell. By the way, I've now moved Tesla up into my never sell. Right? Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 10 stocks to buy and never sell. That's the idea now. Okay. Microsoft, obviously very, very good as well. McDonald's, now we're going into real staples, but I could trade these. All right. Microsoft, McDonald's, Walmart, Virgin Galactic, of course. We're waiting for that pop. We're still down 19%. 15 likes now. Yay. Fantastic. Everybody really appreciates you becoming part of our gang ever so much. Facebook, of course, there. No, that's Ford. I'm waiting for Ford to hit 18 and then I'll be out once those dividends pay in January. Rolls-Royce up at 19%, doing really well. MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco. Hello there, is that Phase, I think that is. Well, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Anthony Meow, hello as well to you. National Geographic, sorry, not National Geographic, what am I talking about? National Grid, Lithium. Lithium is up 25%. Are you surprised? Why am I not surprised? I'm up 52% with lithium. Fantastic. We need to invest in lithium, right? Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway, we're now going down. ARK Invest, I'm now moving down into my ETFs, of course. ICLN, VU, QQQ, up 16%. Vanguard, VEU, TAN, PBW. Dividend stocks, high dividend stocks that pay out dividends every year. It's an income, every quarter or so on. U is up, but slightly down today. It will be because of the flight situation. Robinhood down. Look today, down. Let's have a look at that, but up 21%. GE, Riskified, Lucid Group, Oxygen, Harpoon Therapeutics, which is improving. It was down 30%, so I'm pleased with that. And PFE and ADXS. And of course, Bitcoin I am in as well. Mr. Card. Mr. Graphics Card, there you go. There's my stocks to sell. That's my portfolio. All right. Talking of Carnival, there we go. 2% down now. Am I looking for my opportunity to buy in? Yes, I am. I have $600 sitting on the sidelines. There we go. We're seeing a drop. There we go. There was a drop I was waiting for. To buy back in. You do crypto as well? Yes, I do. Bitcoin. This is my position. I had $10,000 in Bitcoin. I currently have 8,700. I took profits at 50,000. I've learned to not be attached to your stock. The stock does not know you own it. Feel free to sell your stock. You're here to make money, not just to hold it forever. We pig in over there on TikTok. Tap the screen. Let me know you're with me. That always helps the channel grow, and it tells TikTok to share the stream. If you want to see my trading screens, FF and all my friends over there, tap the screen and go to the profile at the top and jump into YouTube. That's where the trading screens are. What about Shiba Inu? No. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Peter, over there on TikTok. No, I wouldn't touch Shiba at all. Bitcoin is the currency of the internet. It's growing faster than the internet did when it came out. It's being adopted by countries around the world. It's being invested by institutions. It's being put into mainstream currencies of countries. It has ATM machines popping up all over the world. Inu, Dogecoin, no. They're a way to make money right now. Yes. You can catch a trend like AMC. It's trading as a meme. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. I'm interested in long, steady growth. Remember, Workhorse is dropping back a bit today. I'm going to keep my eye on Carnival. This could be an opportunity today. Look, Carnival is having a dump. I do apologise for that phrase, but yeah, it's true. It's dumping right now. Let me expand the chart and have a look. I was in $9,000 of Carnival last week, sold it all. There we go, big sell-off this morning. People have made some money and they're getting out because the market is about to take a bit of a downturn. Now, if we remember, if I go to Carnival, where did I sell? Look at my history. I sold at $23.92. $23.92. There we go. It's now below what I sold it. There we go. It's below what I sold it. And it's going down. If I can get if that can go down a bit more, I could get back in on Carnival. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. Graphics cards are needed for crypto mining. So if crypto goes up, graphics card goes up. Look at AMD and Nvidia. Absolutely. That's very, very true. That's very true. Look at AMD and Nvidia. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's open up a new one. Open in a new tab. Here we go. So we're going to go into NVIDIA. I used to be in NVIDIA. NVDA. I remember it. I used to be in it. Yeah, up 1% today. NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA's growing as well. Good one to be in. Absolutely. And AMD. Another one as well. I used to be in that as well. I learned a lot last week by selling. You're here to make profits. We're not here just to own stock. We're here to make profits. That's what it's about. We're about, remember my plan. My plan was I built a business at 16. I built it up, made some mistakes in my middle ages, if you call it, my 30s, 40s. Lost everything, learned the biggest lesson of my life. Then I came back a different person. The first thing I did was grow my business from £1 turned into £2. As I built up my business, I then cleared. I had no credit card. First thing I did was clear my car loan because it was the highest payment. Then I cleared the mortgage. Now I'm investing. It's all about building a portfolio which will be sustainable. The idea is this portfolio, I want to grow it to 100,000 by the end of this year, and I believe it's possible. When I get to 200,000 within 2 years, I will then start moving into dividend stocks which pay me an income per week, per month, whatever, and that's what I will live on. And when I get to around 75, 80 years of age and feel, okay, I've had a good life, then I could start selling off my stock as pocket money, but I've been living on the dividends. That's the idea. All right. Currently, I'm all in on an online. This is my life. I live at the moment. I've got 6 months of savings ahead of me, and this portfolio. I'm currently earning between $15 and $20 a week. That's my income off YouTube and TikTok and all that stuff. That's how I'm living. I have 6 months to grow my YouTube channel, grow my TikTok, Instagram, and so on. This is my full-time income doing what I'm doing with you right now. Currently earning 15 to 20 bucks a week. That's what I earn right now, but I'm building all my channels, and that's what I'm doing right now with my stocks. Right, we are taking a bit of a drop here this morning. We're down 0.6%. Let's have a look what's dropping. Workhorse is going down. If you're interested in that, hang on. AMD, there we go. AMD there. Let's have a look. Let's go Taiwan. This is the semiconductor company we looked for. That's up 0.35%. Now, why is my portfolio dropping? Let's have a look. United Airlines is taking a drop today. Amazon is up. Johnson & Johnson is up today. Tesla up, but just dropped back slightly. What is going down a lot? Apple is doing well. Coke is doing well. AT&T dropped back. Vanguard, the overall ETF, is moving down. Google is up. Virgin Galactic, there we go. That's what's dropping. Remember, this is one of my biggest portfolio. I've got 10% in this right now. Ford is dropping down today. Rolls-Royce is now flat, but we're still up 19% overall. Builder, there we go, taking a drop, an opportunity for me to buy in. I sold a lot of my Builder last week, remember. Asutech, we'll have a look at that in a second. Look at 2020 charts for them and track them together. Thank you, Dras. Let's pass that one over to Kenneth Brunk, who does far deeper technical analysis than I do. Oxygen down 3% today. There we go. I haven't got a huge position in that. Lucid Group down nearly 4%. Okay. Opportunity there to buy in. The whole market is getting hit. Friday was the kind of Friday you only see once or twice a year. And when things go up, they have to come back to some degree. There we go. That's Kenneth's opinion. He follows the markets in greater detail than I do. Thanks, Kenneth, for your opinion there. We're up to 15 likes now. We've hit our mean average. Has everybody smashed the like button, subscribed, and rung the bell? Cyclops Ken. See why we call him Cyclops Ken? Work that out. Work it out. Harpoon Therapeutics. Not much going on there. Robinhood down nearly 4% today. Yep, but I'm sub 20%. Carnival taking a dive. Opportunity for me, possibly coming up. Yep, more selling. Remember, I sold at 23.98, so we're now on the upside. For me, Eclipse, good morning. Oh God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ahmed, 2000. All my friends over there on TikTok, how are you? Tap the screen if you want to see what we're trading live here on the Day Trader. As we're live here every morning and every evening, all you have to do is go onto the profile. Hi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you click on the profile here on TikTok, you'll find my YouTube link. You can hop over, as many of our TikTokers have, and then you can see the trading screens and what I've actually got in real money on the screen. So do come and join us, friends over there on TikTok. Click follow as well. Wonderful stuff. All right, so Carnival are down. I'm watching it. I want to get back in with Carnival, of course. That would be great for me, seeing a lot of drops there. Pfizer's having a good day, up 0.1%. Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is now recovering. Okay, thank you very much. Well, we're doing that. Let's look at some news here. Nasdaq at record high. Let's have a quick jump into this one here.
That certainly, Jackson Hole and getting a little bit more of the roadmap in place. So I think we now know a lot more than we did just 2 business days ago. Certainly taper, I think, was well telegraphed. Probably the end of the year, we'll see the effects of the storm and the proliferation of the Delta variant, whether that's peaking or not, but maybe tapers even the beginning of 22, and then rate hikes.
Just want to break in there with some breaking news. Carnival is now selling. Good morning, Clust. Hiya, Clust. Clust was here at the beginning of the show. He disappeared, but he's back. Hello, Clust. I bet that like was you. 16 likes. We're over our mean average. Wonderful stuff. Congratulations, everybody. Carnival selling submarine tours now. Really? Carnival is selling submarine tours. How? Seriously? Are you being serious there, John? Are you absolutely being serious? Carnival submarine tours.
Which I think is what people really care about. That's true tightening, and that seems to be well off. So the market was off to the races on Friday. I would anticipate a little bit more of the same this week.
So what changes are you making to your portfolio after hearing what Fed Chair Powell had to say on Friday?
Sure.
This will be interesting. Paulio Menon, how are you? Paulio Menon over there on TikTok. Welcome. Let's hear what he's done to his portfolio.
Yeah, we're not making any big changes. I mean, we've been fully invested, very, bullish on the market with rates low and staying lower for longer, perhaps much longer. And, the market at about 20 times earnings, which, is incredibly compelling given where we are with interest rates. So no big changes, just staying the course.
It's interesting. You seem very bullish on the market's direction and where we go from here. But at the same time, just looking at some of your holdings, you see.
I'm feeling very bullish, obviously. How does everybody else feel? Because their stocks sunk. Oh, very funny. Very fun. I was thinking, Carnival, I mean, what would be the point? What would be the point in going on a submarine? You're not going to see anything, are you? Foot Milger, Miss Groves, stocks like. Hello, good morning on TikTok. How are you? Tap the screen, say hello. Socks like as well. How are you? We're trading live on YouTube. If you click the profile link at the top of the video here, top of the screen, you can come over to my YouTube channel and you'll see all the trading screens and meet all my gang and all the technical analysis. If you want to do that and see what I'm trading my real money on, come and join us.
Seem like you're much more bullish on one sector that is considered very defensive, and that is utilities. Tell us why you're putting more money to work in the utility sector.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that now that we know a little bit more about what things may look like in the coming months with interest rates, I think that the market's yield, the S&P, is about 1.3%. I think utilities are very interesting.
I can't believe the what do you call it? The information about the submarines did literally make me. I thought it was a joke, but part of me was thinking it could be true. I mean, maybe he's read something. I don't know.
Many trading at less than a market multiple with much higher yields. So companies like Southern Company and Sempra Energy, I think people should take a look at. I think yields above 3%, growth in dividends of anywhere from 3 to 4% in the case of Sempra. They've been able to increase their dividend at about an 8% clip.
Good morning, Jassa. Good morning, Dras. Okay, Ken, I was just talking about product exposure to crypto like graphics cards. Not many people know about the hardware side of crypto. The black market for graphics cards is insane. I would believe that. Absolutely. I would imagine graphic cards are on a waiting list. Infrastructure bill. That's why. That's from Kenneth.
In the last 5 years, certainly, increased relevance as we go forward with electrification of, vehicles. And that's a story that will unfold over many years. But I think that, it has to be mentioned that at some point, every utility in this country will have a new customer, and that will be.
I did tell everybody here, didn't I, once? I tried mining. I mined for about 4 days on my computers here. And I made a few cents, and I gave up because it wasn't even covering it. Well, it was covering the cost of the electric, and it wasn't any point. There was no point to it. So I decided it wasn't good for me. But I gave it a go. It was quite fun. Colin O'House, how are you? Colin of the House, I think that is. Colin of House, 956. How are you? Welcome, and Enquara as well. Welcome. They got submarines with screen doors.
Electric vehicle owners. So I think that that's kind of.
Let's have a look at Carnival. Carnival just blipped back up again slightly. Okay, a bit of resistance there. Gonna keep my eye on Carnival. It could be an opportunity for me to get back in again. I got two 3080s. Gotta get out right. Oh, Cluster's got a bit of hardware. $15 a day mining. Hey, Cluster, check him out. I literally made cents a day, like 70, 80 cents a day. $15 a day is all right. I bet that was a bit noisy in your apartment, right? Or wherever you were living. They do make a bit of noise when they all start spinning up, though.
Kind of an interesting kicker to a very interesting story that I think just gets overlooked. Utilities are not technology. They're not, electric vehicles, which, gather a lot of, mind share. And I think that where we are with the market, knowing that rates are staying low, there's a yield is, very interesting.
Quick take on the August jobs report out this Friday.
Yeah, I think that, Powell and the Fed, made it clear that, we need to make back, pretty much those 6 million jobs that were below, pre-pandemic levels. So we've got a bit of work to do there. And I think that, we will be looking at that more than often, more than we tend to. And
Good morning, Toby Mitchell. Welcome to TikTok. Tap the screen, say hello. And if you want to see my trading screens, click on the profile and hop over to YouTube.
I think that that's a big day. I think that perversely, it may be one of those bad news is good news. So a bad jobs report could, send the market higher, which is always a little bit hard to get one's head around. But I think that that's just the way that, things tend to work now with, looking at rates, the Fed as a key to what the market will do.
There we go. That's some breaking news for you. Genius Eats is here. Oh, wonderful, Genius. Hi, Butter. Was going well in Texas. Yes. Genius just joined us over here on YouTube. Everyone say hello to my mate. Genius, I invite you to... I know have you already subscribed and rung the bell to the day trade? I'm sure you have. Give it a thumbs up. We're nearly at a record. 20 is a record. If you hit the like button, we'll be on 17, which is awesome. I invite you, Genius, to drop your link into the profile of your YouTube channel. There we go. He smashed the like button. 17 now. Genius is a great guy. He's got a YouTube channel, and Tom was here. I don't know if Tom's done it, but Genius, I invite you to drop your link in the chat. He's a great guy, and really do appreciate what he does on my own platform as well, Livestream Cafe, and he performs every day. He's got a great show. Go and check him out. Welcome, Genius Eats. He's a great guy. Right, Genius Eats, nearly 1,000 subs as well, but yeah, mate, Look, this started. It's our 5th week starting today. Will be 5 weeks on Friday. Madison Collin, hello. Madison Collin says hello. Where are you from, Madison? Would like to welcome you. And Brian Johnson, they're over there on TikTok saying hello to you. Madison, where are you from? And if you'd like to see what I'm trading on, the screens I'm trading on, just hop over to YouTube. The link is in the profile here on TikTok, and you can come and join us. Right, my portfolio has taken a bit of a hit today. Let's get the scores. Hello, Fred. Rick, how are you? Yay, it's crazy in the last years. Let's have a look. What did Ken say there? He said, and he can't get the hardware he wants because it keeps getting sold. Yes. Anything to do with graphics cards and computers is very, very hard. I'm from Preston Road. From Preston Road. Preston Road is... What country's Preston Road? That's great. You ask somebody where they come from and they give you the road. That's brilliant. Is the town called Preston Road? Or is the road... I mean, what country is Preston Road in? I love that. I think that's brilliant. I love that. I think that's brilliant. Where are you from, Madison? What country are you from? And we'd love to join you here on YouTube. Good morning, DYLG as well. If you want to see the main trading screens, hop onto YouTube. The link's in the profile. Okay, so let's get the scores. Let's see who's won the competition today. I'm from Hull. You're from Hull in the UK. Hey, great stuff. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but I'm here in Texas trading. Hey, we'd love to welcome you. We got some really fun guys here from the UK and America and Italy and Canada. Hop over to YouTube and let me introduce you to the gang. The links in the profile at the top. Right, so we're taking a bit of a hit this morning. I'm down 0.5%. Can everybody give their scores? Let's see who wins the morning. Remember, the competition is for the day, not just the... Preston Road is a road that goes through Plano, Frisco, etc. Oh, is it? Yeah, you're right. I just think that's funny. He's from England. He or she is from England, and they're from... We've got 17 likes now. Fantastic. We're so close to 20. Brilliant. That's a record, by the way. But anyway, Workhorse is down. Let's have a look at the market this morning. AMD is up today. Taiwan Semiconductor is up today. My portfolio is down 0.39. My score is whatever NRXP is doing. Yeah, we know that. Dras is all in on NRXP. Let's have a look at it. NRXP again. Where is he today? NRXP is... He's up... Oh, this is a big day. Dras is another day... Why are we not in our NRXP? Dras seems to do really, really well every day. He's up 10% today. Dras is up 10% today, 13% on the week, down on the month. But I tell you what, he's having a good old week, isn't he? He's having a good day today. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to Dras, which means Dras is up 10%. Dras is going to win again today. By only having one stock, I bought 50 cents of Dogecoin a month ago, $50 worth of Bitcoin ago, and now they're worth 60. That's all the trading I have. Well, genius, you could be up then. That's more than 10%, right? Genius could be our winner today. I think Dras has got it though. My percentage keeps bouncing around as I'm literally between just barely plus to minus. Yeah, that's kind of where I am as well. Of course, you can see I'm down 0.57. So far, Dras is the winner. We'll call it in a second. 1.25 up on Amazon, up Johnson & Johnson, Tesla up but just dropped back slightly. Facebook up today, 1.54. Apple is up nearly 2%. Big day for Apple today. Big day for Apple today. I bought on the dip. I'm really chuffed about that because Apple, of course, also have dividends of 1.56. Coke up 0.24. Jason David, 1996. How are you? 1996, what's that stand for? You can't be for 5 years old, can you? Well, you could be, I suppose. It's possible. Vanguard is my ETF. Google now up nearly 1%. That's great. That's great. I've only got a tiny little bit of Google. I need to get some more of Google, of course. Virgin Galactic is down today. 4%. That's why I'm being punished. 22% now. Ford down, another one of my stocks. Rolls-Royce up today, 0.32. I'm okay with that. Drass, that is super risky. Yeah, Drass is all in on one stock. And he's got a large position too. He did that. He's done that. JJ is here. One of our friends, JJ. Hey, JJ, smash the like button. We're at 17 likes. We're 3 away from a record. The record is 20. Come on, smash the like button. Everyone done it. We're at 17 now. Oh, I'm so excited. If it's your first time here, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like button. Let's get us to 18. JJ, if he does it, we could be 18, I think. We're 2 away. Builder. I sold a lot on my Builder last week, as you know. Oxygen down slightly. I've got $500 here to spend. Is there an opportunity today? Harpoon Therapeutics up. That's getting much, much better. I'm getting close to my 0 position. Robinhood down today, 2.37. Carnival dipping down further. Shall I get back in? Shall I get back in? That's less than I sold it for. 18 likes. We've jumped up to 18 likes. Absolutely fantastic. We're approaching an all-time record. Carnival is taking more dips. Pfizer is up today. I'm still down 2.5%. Bitcoin is now improving, up 0.5%. This is looking much, much better. I'm going to keep my eye on Carnival. I've got 599 here in my buying power. Welcome, JJ. 18 likes. Oh, this is fantastic. Shall we see if our YouTube channel has grown? We started this show at 925. We started at 0 4 weeks ago. This is our 5th week starting today. Let's have a look. 525, 525. Have we gained today at all? 927. We've gained 2 subscribers during the show. Look at that, everybody. We've gained 2 subscribers during the show. Look at that. We're nearly at 1,000. Can we hit 1,000 this week? Remember, the channel won't be monetized until we hit 4,000 watch hours. We're currently at 30% of that. So in less than 3 months, we should be there. And if we continue to increase, we should be. And then my $15-20 a week income from all my channels and all my things that I do and all the tips I get from everyone, hopefully will increase. And I might get up to $30 a week. This is my total income. I've got 6 months to get to an income I can live on. All my savings will be gone. So you're watching me grow it here live, right? Small, how are you, Small? Come in and join us over on TikTok. Thanks, John. Break a leg, Drass. Brain Wars. This is my other profile. Hey, 19 likes, get in. 19 likes, get in. 20 is the record. We're so close. Fantastic. Drillian says, is reverse split positive for General Electric? Is reverse split positive for General Electric? I have stock in General Electric. Let me have a look. Let me go to my portfolio. Scroll down to GE. Let me show you. There we go. Open link in new tab. Personally, I think it makes no difference. GE, there we go. This is my GE position. I currently am down 6%. I have 6 shares. It does have a payout. Dividend yield 0.30. The history of this. Let's have a look. The GE reverse split. I don't believe so. I don't believe that has any effect on it at all. Kenneth, what's your opinion on GE's reverse split? Yeah, I'm showing it there on the screen. Let's bring up that information on it. A stock split occurs when a company divides its existing shares to either increase forward split or decrease reverse split. The number of shares it has on the market, as a result, the number of shares you own has changed, but the overall market value of your position remains the same. To learn more about corporate actions, visit our help center. No, I don't believe it makes any difference whatsoever. I'm still, the fundamentals of the position haven't changed with the company. Madison just said, I'm from Hull. Oh, I've read that already. Ryan Kelly 491 over there on TikTok. How are you? Tap the screen, let us know you're here, and hop over to YouTube and say hello to the gang. At 19 likes, we are approaching an all-time record, which was set Friday morning of 20. So there we go. Thank you ever so much. Let's have a look. Let's reverse splits are almost always a bad thing. Okay. Now Kenneth has a lot more knowledge on this, so I take his opinion. Mine is very limited. I don't see it as making a huge difference. But Kenneth, why do you feel it's a bad thing? Thanks, Kenneth. Why is it a bad thing? We can obviously see the market's down 1%, but then having said that, most things are down today. So it's been up 3.63 on the week. Let's get some information. Here we go. The only times it's a good thing is to alter the price for a strategic repositioning of the stock itself, like going from OTC to Nasdaq. Okay? Let me share that on the screen so everyone can understand it. This is Kenneth's position. Remember, we are not professional advisors, but we are real people investing our real money, and we are all having some success doing so. My portfolio is up 9.81%. I'm now trading on profits. I constantly take out profits and put into my bank account. So, Courtney Robson, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Where are you from? Let us know where you're from. Tap the screen. I'd love to know where you're from, Courtney. All right. I would argue it makes the stock look better. Well, that's in my position there. So now we've got looks better from John, not doing well with Kenneth, and me, I was quite neutral about it. For me, it doesn't change the fundamentals. And that's interesting, actually, because Kenneth is a technical analysis guy, and he doesn't like it because he sees charts moving and stuff like that. Hoang, how are you, Hoang? Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed, Hoang. Love you to join our gang. Where are you from? What part of the world are you from? I'm Max Blades. We're having a discussion now in Shoe. Max Blades says Shoe. Although the viewer although the viewer so less, but you don't give. Although the viewer is so less, but you don't give. You don't give up. Absolutely, I never give up. Never give up at all. Come and join us on YouTube, because on YouTube, You So Strong. Thank you so much, Hoang and Max Blades from Australia. I'd love you to come and join our gang on YouTube, because on YouTube, either side of my phone, there are trading screens, and you can see what we're trading. And my technical analysis team and people that are trading their real money with me are in YouTube, and you can see what we're spending our money on right now. Good morning, Jason. Just click on the profile button of this, and you will see my YouTube link, and you can hop right over and join us, and then you can see what we're trading. Yeah, see, it's not surprising that a technical analysis guy sees it as a negative, and John sees it as a positive. And for me, as a long-term investor, it's funny because the three of us are very different. Three of us are very different approaches to the market. For me, the fundamentals of G haven't changed. I've still got the same value of my stock, so it doesn't affect me. Anyway, wonderful crowd over there on TikTok as well. Hi, the man never gives up. No, I never give up. And we're now growing a TikTok and YouTube business. I'm now earning $15 a week from my online shows like this. And that's why I'm investing in the stock market. I've got 6 months of money left to before I run out. So that's what I've got to grow. Right. Okay. So let's see what Kenneth says. Got to go for now. Graphics Card, thanks for joining us, Graphics Card. Take care of yourself over there in Florida, right? Florida, I think it was. Space down today, 5%. I've just got that note come through. Look, there it is. There it is on my TikTok channel. Right, there it is. Right. It's a bad thing because it says our stock value isn't going up. Okay. It's a bad thing because it says our stock value isn't going up and we need to maintain listing requirements. Okay. Well, that would suggest a bad thing. I agree. And GE stock isn't going up. That's correct. Wait until you see its effect. Actively, I have been royally bitten by them suddenly happening. Thank you. A reverse split can sometimes be good just to consolidate the value versus float. Okay. We're getting some real detail here from Kenneth, as we always do. And Kenneth gives us great knowledge. So let's have a look. What's the market doing? It's down 0.92 now. I'm looking at Carnival today for a position to re-enter. It's down 2.51. It's not really enough yet, is it? It's not really enough. I made profits, and to enter at a fraction less than I sold would be pretty pointless. I'd like to get a little bit lower than that. Pfizer's having a good day. Workhorse has dropped back now. AMD, as you can see, AMD... Scott Mackin, have a good day, Hon Yang. Thank you so much indeed, Hoang. Love to know where you're from. You never said. Let's have a look. 18 likes now. We've gone down one. How's that happened? This happened the other day. Brad Smith, 2394. Brad Smith, how are you, Brad Smith? 17. How's 16? What's going on with my likes? How come they're going down? How does that happen? That happened the other day. It's not that it's going to down likes. They're just going away. I mean, how does that happen? This happened the other day. It's like a weird thing. It's like a really weird thing. How can it possibly go down? Never mind. There we go. Let's have a look at the portfolio is now. So today the winner is Drass. We're going to give the prize to Drass. Congratulations, Drass. You are the winner today on the show. We're going to give it to Drass, but only in the morning. What counts is the end of the day. So we'll see where you are at the end of the day. United Airlines going down. We knew that was going to happen today. Amazon's having a great day. Up today, 1.61. I'm up $50 now. Very happy with that. Johnson & Johnson's having a good day as well. Tesla is up today. But most of the value consolidation that's OTC related. If a company on the New York Stock Exchange has to RS, it's a bad thing. Reverse split, it's a bad thing. Kenneth, we really appreciate that. Kenneth has explained why he believes Yorkshire 63. Hello there on TikTok. How are you? Lovely to have you with me. Christian Kentic 1992, welcome. And Iwa as well, welcome to TikTok. Lovely to have you here, thank you. It could be, and likely is, the degree of institutional investors keep GE from dropping suddenly. Okay. Brain Wars, great show, Martin. Thanks for all this. Good fun watching and learning. Brain Wars, thank you so much indeed. That's Genius's second account. What a great guy. I don't know how we've dropped. How could we drop like 3 likes? That's weird, isn't it? Tesla's up 5% on my portfolio now, which is 1.5%. Very happy with that. Facebook up. We're doing our closing thoughts now as we wrap up the show. We've given the prize to Drass this morning. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for being here. Let's have a final tally. 927. I doubt if we've changed. That's what we were a few moments ago. 927 on the channel. We're trying to get to 928. Wow, these subscribers just keep on coming. 928. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Thank you ever so much, everybody. And thank you, Brain Wars. It could be... Oh, we've read that one already. Okay, we've read that one. Let me go to my portfolio again. So I'm down today on the day 0.7. So that's it today. Kadalsh, thank you very much for joining us. I think we're going to wrap it up there now. I'll see you all back today for the drive home, the closing bell. And let's see where we end up. I'm going to keep my eye throughout the day on Carnival. Will it drop? If it dropped to, I believe one of you said you would re-enter the market. I think 19. Was I right? Was I right in saying that? I think it was 19. I can't remember. I think it possibly was. Anyway, there we go. We'll look for that for the rest of the day. That's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. We're going to keep our eye on all these stocks. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Moving up slightly, 0.5%. In the last hour, pretty flat today. Not a lot going on with Bitcoin right now, but that's it. All right, let's move over to the screen and thank everyone for joining us. Zach has just joined us over there on TikTok, and Rizwan has just joined us. We're just ending the show. We're live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell, and can't work out how my likes are going back down again. That's really, really weird on YouTube. How does that happen? Someone explain to me how that happens. I'd love to know. Don't know how that's even possible. All right. All I want to say is God bless America. God save the Queen. I'll see you all later back here for the closing bell. And but between now and then, take care of yourselves and each other.